It's Tuesday morning, January 21st, 2025. It's kind of a hazy, cold morning, but I wanted to do a little update before the workers show up, if they show up today. I notice around here they don't work if it's cold, so since the last update, they finished the stucco. So the stucco, that's the stucco on the outside of the restroom. Nothing much has changed here except that they've got all the insulation in now. All the insulation's in the roof, so I think the next step is the drywall. But they stuccoed everything. See, they stuccoed because they're going to repaint everything. They stuccoed this wall and that wall. I didn't even know they were going to do that wall. They threw that in. And they had to make this beam to make it look like the other beams. That's just made out of wood, and then they stuccoed over it. And they stuccoed. They even did. I'll show you this. They even did stucco out here on the. They even stuccoed this outer wall. I don't know if they're going to paint that or what, but they've got the stucco on everything, so it's looking much better. Now, they didn't do the, well, I guess under the window there. I assume they'll repaint that when they repaint the rest. And now, here in the bathroom, they, for some reason, well, they got it locked shut. I'm not going to go in there. But they've got it ready to, I wonder what that is in there. Okay. So they've got this boards up here, so they're going to do drywall in here in the bathroom. I didn't know they were going to do that either, but it's going to look nice. And see, normally the sun would be right there, but this is a hazy, cold morning. See ya.